Hey guys, it's Honda. Today I got a little something different planned. We're gonna be working on my 2008 Yamaha Rhino 700 EFI. So I'm gonna be replacing the spark plug and showing you guys how to disassemble the plastics and get into the airbox and all that good stuff. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Alrighty, so here's the bike. It's in pretty good condition still. However old it is, I don't know the exact age. Well, 2008 to 2025. So there's the airbox, the battery box we're gonna get into here in a minute. Headlights and all that good stuff. This is the part I'm gonna be showing you guys how to disassemble. Is the cab right here, these two seats and this little middle piece and the shift knob. It's gonna come off, and I'm gonna show you to get it out around that. The e-brake. And yeah, I got a couple low tires. If I can get this thing running, I think I'm gonna get some different tires for it. But there's the bed. It's got the dump bed, so that's nice. So then I got tools we're gonna be using. Just gonna need a regular old socket set. I got some just some cheap penetrating oil. I got the vice grip things and a wrench, and I got a Phillips head screwdriver. I might need a flathead, but I don't know yet. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when I start disassembling. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to come over here to this box, and they'll have bolts in these two holes, so you're going to want to take them out. I already did that, so you just want to yank that off, toss it over the side, and this is your battery. And what happened was this solenoid went bad, so I put a new solenoid in it, and then we've just figured out the spark plug was bad too. So we shouldn't be needing to do nothing in here, but until I put the spark plug in, because I'm gonna have to get the battery pack, because I think the battery's about dead. I'm gonna try to jump it. And then got missed all the intake things taken off, but shoot, I about lost my air filter. I just got a little uni air filter. There's the air box. I'm gonna be spraying some starter fluid down in there. I'm not gonna start it. So yeah, that's the air box and battery box. Now for the cab. So the first thing you want to do is you're gonna come over here, these little seats, and you see these little pull tabs. I'm gonna open the door first. You're gonna pull that little tab. You yank the seat up. You can just grab it by this little handle. It's a little easier with two hands, but you get the idea. And you just sit it over to the side. And this is where the spark plug's under. It's like right back in there. So let's go around the other side. I'll just take the other seat off. Right side's about the same thing. Open the door, pull up, yank on it. This is got a little handle right here you can grab onto it with. And you just toss that over the side. And next thing is going to be this little shift knob. So what you're going to do for it is you just take this little cap right here, just pull it out. Like that. And just sit it off the side. I'm going to put it in my pocket so I don't lose it. And then this knob should just lift right off. That's how I take that off. Alright, I think I can do this with one hand. Just gonna pull up on this, pop it out a little, work it around, get a little rough with it. And then you're gonna wanna, this little boot, stuff this little boot through so it don't come out or rip or anything like that. Just keep kind of working it around. a lot harder than I thought with one hand. You guys kind of get the point. I'll pick you up when I get this off. Alright, so that was a little bit of a struggle, but we got it out. And the spark plug is right back here. The camera's gonna focus. It's right there. So I'm gonna go get my tools and I'll catch you guys on that. Alright, so all you're gonna need for this part is a 16mm socket and just a ratchet. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get down in here, pop cover off, bend it over the side, and then just stick the ratchet down in there, pop it loose. Now y'all be able to reach down in there. Maybe. Unless they get the rest away with your fingers, but that ain't quite loose enough yet. Sorry about that, a little bit of technical difficulty there. So what you're gonna do, now I got it loose enough, I'm gonna pull that off. Unscrew the spark plug. This thing's got some long threads on it. Man, this spark plug just goes forever. Alright, I'll catch you guys when I get it out. Alright, after a long while of screwing, we finally got it out. Let the camera focus. Which I don't think it will. I think you can tell, get the gist that this thing's pretty dirty. So, I'm gonna go ahead and swap it out for the new one. Got a fresh NGK spark plug from Extreme Motorsports. Stinking Snapchat. Sorry about that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and feed this in. Make sure it ain't cross-threaded, because that would be bad. Just kind of screw it in. And it's basically the same process to put it in as just take it out, so I'll catch you guys when I'm done with that. Alright, so I got that all back in, plugged back up. And one big thing I did want to say about putting your spark plug back in is do not tighten it too much. Because if you tighten it too much, bad things are going to happen. So I'm going to run and get the battery pack, and I'll catch you guys on that. Alright, got this thing negative, negative, positive, positive. Battery pack's about dead, so I ain't going to expect much. We'll spritz a little bit of this stuff down in there. We're going to try to start it. So I'm hoping it's just a spark plug, but we're going to see. Oh yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. So she's running a little rough after sitting for about 4 months, but I'd call it a successful install. So I'll get this stuff tightened back up and I'll catch you guys here in a minute to end the video out. Alright, so this is a quick little video, something different, a little fixing video, repair work. So that was how to disassemble your interior on this 2008 Yamaha Rhino and replace your spark plug. So if you guys made it this far in the video, make sure to like and subscribe and share and comment. Yeah, catch you guys in the next one.